So what is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to share with you a day in the life of what it's like being a life insurance agent in 2024. I'm going to take you through my day as well as being a life insurance agency owner. But first, it is a little over 8:30 and the video actually starts now. We're going to hit the hay early tonight, and tomorrow we're going to share with you guys what our morning routine is, what our day looks like, the meetings, the schedule, and ultimately what it looks like to be a life insurance agent. This is a video that a lot of people have asked for, so I'm going to give it to you guys. So let's go ahead and start our day in the life. See you guys in the morning. Cheers. So good morning, guys. It is bright and early, a little over 5 a.m. This Thursday. This is the day in the life. Start my morning up by waking up, doing some hydration, reading, and now we're on our morning, like 7-minute prayer walk. So we're gonna go right to praying and we're gonna jump right into work. Let's get it. So guys, we're gonna get our day started. It's a little after. It's 5:20. I don't know if you can see that. 5:20, and we're gonna prepare and just start jumping into today, preparing our meetings. I have a meeting at 5:30 a.m. with my business partner. I'm gonna go ahead and check some emails and ultimately send a contract out. It's any more of what it's looking like owning a life insurance agency. Our company, we do over $2.1 million our first year in revenue, and I want to show you the back end of what it looks like to be the agent and ultimately the operator as well. So let's keep jumping in. I'll show you guys my schedule. Now you probably can't see what all this means, but I'm about to share with you guys what this day is going to look like. Let's get it. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be like the breakthrough, and I don't want to promise that, but it's gonna be helpful. You know, so it's gonna be another piece. We're just making the system better and better.
There's no silver bullets.
Yeah. I was listening to the podcast. We're just in the people business, honestly. Just gotta keep finding really good people that can make it work. Cool. I want to start with some wins. It was pretty cool to see everyone yesterday really pop off there. Brandy, what do you think was one of the things that we did as a team that helped us, have some success yesterday?
I think that's a hard question. Something I've noticed just across the board is the whole team is getting really, really good at guarding their mentality and continuing to just persevere. You get a hard call, you just keep on, move on to the next. And I'm getting a bunch of people sending me calls that they didn't post for some reason, and it can help, that's really helpful. Just so we don't get in our heads, and so, like with the callers, not you.
It is currently 6:30. Just got off our morning huddle as a team, just do some training and just recapping from yesterday. Sales team is going to go out there and start hitting it. I'm going to jump back into the computer, start my coffee, and get into work. So let's go ahead and meet with some of our newer agents and prepare for more of our morning. Let's get it. Cool. How you feeling today?
What's up? I'm good. Ready to get after it.
Good.
Outside.
Oh, you got some chickens. Cool. I just wanted to give you some feedback here. Just so you have a great day. You're at 3 deals, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Awesome stuff, dude. I think today could be the day. 2 policy days coming your way. Only feedback, I asked you that question, what would be the one thing that could help you? I would say the only thing that I think could help you today is just putting in a little, if you just add in a little bit more extra sprinkle of activity, I think you can hit those 2 deals today. So shoot for those 250, 300 dials, 5 presentations, whatever it takes to get those 5 presentations, and you'll smack it out of the park today.
Yeah, yesterday was 3 or 4.
3 or 4. Cool.
Yeah, I was trying.
Christian, can you hear me? So a client told me to call her, so I'm gonna do some client work real quick and give her a call back. Miss Sheila.
Hello?
Hey, Miss Sheila. Good, good. Are you doing all right? So guys, for the next 45 minutes, I'm preparing for our new agent meeting. So we have a meeting, a huddle with some new agents that are coming up here, working on some things inside of the business, such as interview scripts and ultimately two onboarding processes for new agents. So just doing some boring work this morning of working on the business rather than in the business. After had two meetings with some team members this morning, setting them up for the day. Also speaking with the client. Now for the next 45-minute window, we're gonna go ahead and build some systems to help grow the business. So we're gonna sit here and knock some of that work out. Correct. Yeah, that's right. It goes handy. It goes cool. So I'll check into the GTL thing for you. Way to go and completing that course there for you. The GTL. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. They're gonna reissue you new writing numbers, so that should be coming here shortly as well. But let me check here. That was GTL that you sent me. GTL. All right, it is 8:47. Time for our 5-minute bonding time with my wife. We go for 4 eggs, 3 pieces of bacon. She's the chef. All right, guys, so after a quick 4 or 5-minute breakfast, we are off to our training session. 9 a.m. here. We are going to be reviewing some game time footage. So I'm training a new agent who's just getting started. And we're gonna go through, listen to do call reviews. So listen to 2 calls, that one he won and one he lost, and we'll be breaking and analyzing how we can get him better and sharpen up his calls so they can have a better and more successful day. So let's go ahead and do some call reviews. We're gonna jump into it. Don't let that presentation, it's just one of them. You still got 4 more to go. Don't let that discourage you. What do you think you I guess tripped up on there? Anything you thought you could have did differently?
I mean, let's see. I don't know if you want to listen to it at the very end there.
Okay.
Everything was smooth up until the end there.
Well, let's go through. Let's see where you're at for this morning, Kaz.
Yeah.
Kaz.
And that was a full presentation. Everything was smooth.
Cool. Let's go through it.
Good.
So that was our first training, sales training. We have a 1-minute gap here, and we're going to go on to our second agent training. So we're going to jump to another training. Again, game time footage and just tweaking sales calls and getting them better. So let's go into our next 30-second. It's 9:30 now. 30-minute training that we're gonna jump into. Let's keep pushing. Now we're getting into the weeds, you know. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I think I just want to spend some time later into that, because I like to put them all in sections too. For me, I've always just stuck in the script. I'll explain a little bit of information, and then I'll snap my finger and I'll get back on track, because it's like I've always just had this note like, that's not where I need to be. That's not where I'm gonna explain it. Yeah. Well, let me see what I can even do for you. I'm not really sure what's best for you, but let me see how I can find the best plan, and we'll see what that looks like. And then it's like a question mark, and then I move forward. Cool. So let's see how long it takes for them. All right, so we're going to our third agent training. It's 10:06 in the morning. We're gonna be knocking down the third training with the new agents here, but we're ready to rock and roll, helping them get better, helping them get tuned in. So let's take it to the third training session of the day. You double down? Are you having some of the other leads to be leads jump in for you, or no? Check out your pipeline. Are you staying on top of your messages pretty well? Cool. Give her a call. Let's listen. See if she answers. I'll walk you through it. I'll whisper in on you. All right, guys. So it's 11:50. About to have our quick little break. I like to take a 10-minute little walk to get in the sun from 5:45 to actually about 6 to now. I've just been sitting in the computers doing emails, doing interviews, doing meetings, doing trainings, and just building the team up. So finally have about a 10-minute window here. I have another meeting that's gonna be coming up here in a few minutes with our leadership team. But I'm gonna go out there and enjoy some of this beautiful weather, so let's get it. So this is probably one of my most favorite parts of my day. It's my little 10-minute walk, just to get in the sun, reflect, have some blue skies, and just having the sun shine on down on the skin. But the day's basically blocked off every 10-15 minutes with things to do, and that's, I guess, the beauty of being a business owner, but it's part of the game. We're ramping things up. It's just we know it's going to come. I think we have a better understanding of what we're looking for. We have to be our full-time recruiter. We want to bring in. I guess the next block of time that I have available is reaching out to people that have applied to work with us here at Legacy Family Life. I have to go ahead and give them a call, pursue some screening, and slowly building a team, but finding the right fit. So I'll walk you guys through just me calling some I guess quote unquote leads of people who want to work with us and be part of our team. So let's do it. It's Peter with Legacy Family Life. How you doing? Good, man. I wanted to give you a ring here. I saw that you recently applied here for our sales position. Just want to learn more about kind of where you're at now and what had you interested in being a part of our team. Yeah, it is a commission-based, or yep, it's a commission position. Yep. Who are you currently with? I'm not really too familiar with them. Are they like a friends and family model, like they tell you just sell friends and family, or is it different? So guys, it is currently 2:53. Was doing my recruit calling, and then I had a client call back saying that we need to submit another application. So we just wrapped on an application for a policy, a little $15,000 policy that we got. I'm gonna wrap up our day with our evening huddle. That's gonna be here in about 2 minutes. And we're gonna finish up the day just regrouping and meeting with the team, making sure that everyone had a great day and seeing how we can help. So we're gonna do our evening huddle, and then we are going to go to, what do we have next on our calendar? We have the gym, and then we have an interview again here coming up as well. So I got about an hour and a half, so we're gonna rock this interview and then rock this meeting, and then we're gonna head to the gym. So let's finish up. So actually, after our evening meeting, I have a change of plans. The guy that I am looking to do our interview with, he said, hey, I actually can move it up earlier. This makes me a bit happier. I can go ahead and knock it out. So it's gonna be at 3:30, so I'm 15 minutes here at 3:30 to 4:30. We're gonna finish up with final interview candidate who wants to work with us. So we've been going pretty strong. You can see here I don't really leave much at this desk. I kind of just sit here, stare at this computer, and work on systems, helping the team, train the team, and growing. So nothing super sexy or fun, but this is what it's like. Being part of a business owner is sitting and doing the work, and trying to find the right people that want to grow with you as well. So we're gonna go ahead and prepare for that interview now, and then I'll see you guys after, so we can go to the gym. Let's get it. What are you really looking for? I guess, why did you apply in to work with us? What is, where you're at now, and why Legacy Family Life? Yeah. Okay, so it is 4:33, just wrapping up our day at the office here. Wrapped up the final interview, and we're gonna be heading out to the gym. So let's go take you guys on a gym journey, and then depending on when we get back, we're gonna be doing maybe finishing up some extra work. I'll get done and bring home some dinner. Got some other surprises, share with you guys my evening routine, but overall it was a really successful day. Built some really good systems for our new talent acquisition channel that we're building out. Helped write a policy on the books, helped the team grow, had some pretty cool meetings, had some trainings, had a lot going on, but it was a profitable day in the books here, and we're gonna go ahead and finish strong. A little quick arm pump. So see you guys at the gym. All right, so we're driving to the gym. What do you think it's like living with an insurance agency owner? One word.
One word to describe would be...
living with me.
Eventful.
Oh, here we go. Alright guys, so we just left the gym. It is 5:50. Me and my wife have a 6 o'clock hard stop for dinner. So I'll show you guys where we're gonna go eat. And after eat, we got another surprise for you. So if you can't tell by the pump, we did it. So sold the Whisper, but we're at Angie's Grill. We're getting our bowls.
Prime Grill.
Angie's Prime Grill. Eating our bowls for the games. We got a little diet soda. Good stuff.
If you live in Arizona and haven't tried Angie's Prime Grill, it's very good and it's very cheap.
So thank you guys for joining in. We're just wrapping up our day. It is 6:32 p.m. We started our morning right before 5 a.m. and we've been going pretty hard. So this evening, spend some time. I'll be doing some video editing. I'm gonna finish it with posting some content probably till 7:30, editing some of this footage and just building out the content. The content is typically what I spend the rest of my day on, because the whole morning, afternoon, and most of the evening is building the business, and then any spare time that I have in the late evening will be building out the content. So just a full grind, full schedule to build the channel, to build the recruiting, to build the infrastructure. You can see that we're going hard, we're building the business, and we're growing it. So thank you guys. It's the day in the life. It's pretty, work from home, sit from home, do the boring work, show up at the same meetings, do it over and over and over to slowly grow and to build in this industry. It's a hard industry, but it's fed me well for the last 2 years, and I hope it's giving you guys some context to a day in the life. And if you guys need anything, let me know. I hope this is giving you evidence and clarity of what it looks like to be a day in life. And we're gonna head out for the night, me and my wife. Thanks for joining in, and I hope this, guys, if you like this, comment below if you want more videos like this, documenting, sharing what it looks like to build a life insurance agency and what it takes to win in the insurance business. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Cheers.
Bye.